Superwoman Super Chef Series 3. We have two beautiful women again for this show. One is Asha, she's from Singapore, and we have Lata from New Delhi. And this is something very exciting for us, that we have a lady all the way from Singapore joining us for this cooking show. And also Lata, in spite of a very busy schedule, she runs a business also. In spite of a very busy schedule, she's been joining me from Delhi. So welcome to the show, Asha and Lata ji.
Hi.
Hi, Raj.
Thank you, Raj.
Thank you, Raj.
It's a pleasure to be there in the show.
It's a pleasure to be a part of this show. So,
Asha ji, what is the time in Singapore now?
It is 2:30 now, afternoon 2:30.
Fine. So, and this is actually, we have recently started Superwoman Super Chef Series by Urias Hotels and Purple Club. Purple Club is a club which is for the women exclusive by Urias Hotel. So this is an exclusive series of Superwoman Super Chef by Urias Hotels and Purple Club. So welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. It's really nice.
It's a good opportunity for us to join this show.
Thank you, and I would like to thank you because you could find time for me.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you.
Asha ji, what are you going to show today?
I'm going to make Pachamor Korumbu, that is pumpkin with curd, and which is a quick dish with green chilies, coriander, coconut and mustard seeds paste.
Fantastic. And I think there's a combination with the plain rice. You can have it with the plain rice.
Yes, you can have it with plain rice. Yes.
I think
and you can have it with chapati.
And also it's very light. Is it a light dish or it's a very thick gravy?
No, it is not a thick gravy. It is light.
Fine.
It's a light gravy.
Bit of yellowish.
It is. Yes, it is yellowish color.
Fine. And
so you can have it.
Fine.
Yeah.
Lata ji, what are you going to cook for us today?
I'm going to make kathi rolls, vegetable kathi roll.
Kathi roll. Oh, fine. Because you have been in Delhi, so you're trying to do something North Indian dish.
Yeah. So basically, this vegetable kathi roll, I'll be using all the vegetables like onion, cabbage, all the three colors of capsicum, then carrot, beetroot, and paneer. So it is a very wholesome dish. Can be had for.
I already start feeling the taste. Before you could say something, I could already start feeling the taste. And I always believe that women are the best chefs in the world. There are a lot of guys who try to be the best chef, but I always felt that the women are the best chef. So what do you feel about it? From your mom, you would have seen your mom doing it, and now you people.
Yeah, most of the ladies, they pick their cooking skills from their mom or grandmother. It is there in the family. So yeah, definitely it is all very simple but very healthy and very tasty.
Yeah, I feel whatever dish I'm making today is my mother's signature dish, one of her signature dish, which I learned from her, and it is a very quick one. You don't need a long time to make it, which I enjoy a lot.
Let's tribute Pachamor Korumbu for your mother.
Sure, thank you. Yeah.
I also, because even though my dad used to be very good cook, but then I learned my cooking skills definitely from my mom. So I always feel, that touch of class and the way the control of the wastages. In fact, when I cook,
I think it is. I feel it is the basic quality of any woman, for that matter, to be a good cook. And whatever she makes is very good.
So can I ask you a very simple question? During the school days, when you were studying in 11th, 12th standard, were you inside the kitchen? Were you cooking that time?
No.
Yeah, I used to be.
Really,
I used to be somewhat because I from my childhood itself, I was very fascinated towards cooking. So yeah, sometimes I used to make some special dishes.
Because today the children are totally different. Today children are totally different. They start already venturing into all the kitchen, etc.
True.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So, but men are also good cooks, Raj. There are few really good chefs we know who are good cooks. So, female are ladies are good, at the same time men also.
Yeah, but then actually the credit goes more to the woman, because
mother. Yeah, true.
Of course, there are a lot of excellent chefs, but I'm talking about when you say a ghar ka khana.
See, I tell you, most of the men chefs, they are professionals, so their cooking skills will be somewhat very different as compared to the ladies who are regularly cooking at home. So that is what the difference I feel. So there are definitely the men are also doing good in this profession. So
And
Yeah.
I will be also dedicating, once your dish is over, I will be also dedicating a dish for both of you, which is I will not tell you the name, and when you
Okay.
see the video, you can see that I'll be dedicating that dish for both of you today.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Thank
Yeah,
you so much.
looking forward to that.
We are looking forward for that.
I am making veg kathi roll today, for which the ingredients which I am using are plain flour which I have made into a dough, like for what we make for chapati, little softer than that, and rest it for 30 minutes. The vegetables, I have used onion, beetroot, all sliced thinly, carrot, cabbage, all I have taken 1 cup each, capsicum green, red capsicum, yellow capsicum, some grated paneer. Then for seasoning, I have taken some vinegar, white vinegar, and chili sauce. You can use either red or green. I have used the combination of both. Some tomato ketchup and soya sauce. Then chaat masala, black pepper powder, and salt to taste.
The vegetables, saute the vegetables first. So I've taken some oil, refined oil. Now let's add first carrot. The vegetables which take longer time to get cooked, add that first and saute. Cook it for sometimes in medium flame for 2 minutes. Fruit. I've taken each 1 cup. You can add the vegetables of your own taste, the quantity of vegetables of your own taste. So now I'm adding cabbage to it. Green capsicum. See, it looks so colorful. Now I'm adding some onions to it. Add little salt to it so that it gets cooked fast. Now cover it with the lid and simmer down for 5 minutes. Those are cooked. It should not be too soft. It should be crunchy. Now I'm adding rest of the ingredients. As the yellow bell peppers and red bell peppers need not be cooked for a longer period, we are adding it in the last. Get paneer to this and mix it properly. Now cook all the vegetables together for 2 minutes.
Now let's start adding all the seasoning to it. We're adding some 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. I have taken green and red chili sauce both. I'm adding 2 spoons of it. Some vinegar, 2 to 3 spoons of vinegar. And again, the seasoning all depends on your taste. You can increase or lessen the seasoning as per your taste. Then I'm adding little tomato ketchup to it. Again, I have put around 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Salt as per taste. And we are using black pepper powder. I'm using 1 small teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now saute all the ingredients together. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that the excess water is drained. Go into 4 to 5 portions. Measure of flour roughly, out of which 4 to 5 chapatis can be made. Just roll chapatis, thin chapatis to the bigger size, maximum stretchable. You can just dust some flour on it, dry flour on it, and roll it into a big chapati. This chapati, bigger tawa, and put your chapati on it. Don't cook it on a very high flame. You can keep the chapatis ready. With some oil. Cook both the sides evenly. See, I make the paratha out of it. The chapati should not be too crispy as we have to roll the vegetables in it. It should be little softer. Now let's start making the rolls. Take a wooden plank, wooden board, or any other board of your convenience. Keep the chapati on that. Now spread the vegetables which way. Now spread the vegetables in the center. Like this. Spreading the vegetables, just sprinkle some vinegar on the top and some chaat masala. Just sprinkle it on the vegetable. Kathi roll can be made with wheat flour also, or you can use the equal portions of wheat flour and regular flour. Now see, roll it in this way. Now take aluminium foil, keep the roll like this and hold it. You can take a tissue, just roll it on it. So now your kathi rolls are ready. You can even carry it for travel, or you can even pack it in the tiffin and you can really enjoy it.
Friends, I'm Asha. Today I'm going to cook my mother's signature dish, Pachamor Kodumbu, pumpkin Pachamor Kodumbu. So let's see the ingredients here. Pumpkin 200 grams, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, salt, green chilies, coconut, grated coconut, coriander leaves and yogurt. So let's start. Let's switch on the gas. And put the pumpkin in. Let's cook this for, put little water. Don't put too much water, this doesn't need a lot of water. So cook for 10 minutes, don't make it too soft. We close the lid and then allow it to cook. In the meantime, let's take all the ingredients and make a paste of that. Start with 2 tablespoons of coconut, I am putting 3 green chilies. You can add up to your taste. Maybe you can add more or you can add less. So 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon mustard seed, salt to taste, a little bit turmeric. Now we put this bunch of coriander leaves. Let's make a paste of this and keep it ready while that is cooking. It's almost 10 minutes now. Let's see if the pumpkin is cooked. Yeah, it's done. So while this was cooking, I made the paste ready. So this is the paste which has to go inside this. But before that, we have to allow this to cool, bring it to room temperature. So let's cool it and then add the curd and the paste together. The paste and curd. So this is the final product, Pachamor Kodumbu. You can have it with rice as well as with chapati.
Thank you, Asha ji. Like, I would like to definitely say that your Pachamor Kodumbu is very similar to what, like my mom used to make it, because I've used to, when we call this as more Kodumbu because of the Palakkad accent, we call more Kodumbu, which is very thin actually, and also you can have it, but it is very light also because you can have it with the rice and maybe anything, maybe a pickle that's enough. But I think this is one of the most important, much more lighter than a rasam or maybe a sambar also. It's not spicy also, but I think it's very light dish. I think you have done a wonderful job. Thank you, Asha ji, for a wonderful dish of the day.
Thank you, Raj.
And Lata ji, as usual, because being from Delhi, the kati roll is, those days I never used to like it. Now we make kati rolls very often at home also. So I think this has definitely brought back my feeling of Delhi. So thank you very much for making the wonderful kati roll.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure for making for this show especially. So you're welcome.
And I would like to have both of you, some other day also, when maybe after 2 months, 3 months, when you have some good recipes, let me know so we can come back
and
do the cooking show together again once again.
I think it is just the beginning for us also. To get more opportunity to join, and we are happy about it that you're giving us more opportunity to join your show.
So
Yeah, Asha ji.
Yeah, I'll try to ask some of my friends in Singapore to join in. I'll try to ask few of my friends. So maybe in your next episode, they'll try to join in.
Thank you, thank you. And this is very special to me because as both of you are very special to me, at the same time, I have like a lady from Singapore, a lady from Delhi is first time joining in our show, because otherwise we had all these Trivandrum ladies doing it. And this is going to inspire many other women to join this show.
So I think we are
definitely.
really, we are blessed to be a part of this show, because
Thank
we
you.
are the first one to be from Delhi or
Or outside of India.
outside.
Asia, I will say. Yeah. Thank you very much for coming to my show. And once
Thank
again,
you.
thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
coming for Superwoman, Super Chef.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you for giving
Sure,
us an
thank you for
opportunity.
opportunity.
Bye bye. Welcome back to the Superwoman Super Chef Cookery Show by Unix Hotels and Purple Club. You are seeing how beautifully Asha has made the Pachamor curry and Pachamor korma, we can say, and also Lataji from Delhi has done the what do you call it, the kaki roll, rich kaki roll. Both of them have done a beautiful job. Asha, as you know that she is from Singapore and Lata is basically from Delhi, so it was a great combination of two friends from different part of the world to come for this show. And that's something very amazing. And that's the beauty of our show, that we have women coming from all the walks of life in a different way. I'm going to dedicate this dish for both Asha ji and Lata ji. And this is something very interesting and very special. And of course, in Kolkata, you can see many people have this regularly, and also of course in North India. It's called chila. And I'm making a masala chila for them. Let's see what are the ingredients are going to be. I'm taking the basil flour. We have to make the batter, so I have basil flour. And I'm going to make the masalas, which I'm going to crush. Not the paste crushing. I have shallots, I have carrots here, and of course tomato. So these are what I'm going to add on to the thing, and maybe if you want green chili also you can add on for the spice purpose. So let me grind this first. So this has been totally crushed. You can see it has been beautifully crushed. So I'm going to take this from here to here. So just mix it up well. And now I'm using a little bit of ajwain, which is going to crush it and add here. A little bit of jeera. And of course, bit of pepper to make it a little bit more spicy for me, and salt to taste, the asafoetida, and a little bit of haldi powder, and of course the Kashmiri chili for the color purpose, coriander leaves as much as you can do it, and a little bit more chili I'm adding here, and I'm mixing it together first. Add a bit of water. Beautiful, it's like red and green color has come on. You can actually keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on how you want your batter. The batter has to be absolutely like this. I can add a little bit more water into it. Make it a little bit more easy to. So I have my tawa hot here ready. Make a small dosa. You can add oil or you can add butter, so I'm adding oil into it. So that's something very healthy. Actually, it is very healthy. You can even make out of the different grains. You can have atta, you can have chana dal, and you can have the soya beans. The atta of soya bean. So you can make different kind of grains. That powder you can make the powder and you can make the dosas also. So this is something which is going to come out very nice because the color. Look at the color, and you have all the most important, because this is not carrot is not being boiled. It is being absolutely kacha. The shallot gives you a different taste. Normally, people use onion, but I'm using shallot here. And of course, you can see how beautiful the color has come in now. Wow, this is the way it has to be. You can have a tomato chutney, you can have a green chutney, or maybe you can just have it with the tomato sauce also, maybe the coconut chutney also. It's a great combination, and believe me, you have it for the breakfast, and that's something very, very amazing. But the regular dosas and at least this is going to give you a totally different feel. Look at the color. So that's the color I wanted, and I got a beautiful color. It's a golden, absolutely golden brown color, and it has come out very exciting for me. So the Superwoman Super Chef series by ABS Hotels and the Personal Club is basically to motivate the women from different walks of the life, where they are definitely good cook, but then they have never been to any other shows. And some of them are definitely yes, but then some of them have never been. So this really makes them to motivate to see that how they can really show to the world that how good they are cooks, how good they are actually cooking also. So that's the platform for the women. So my dosa is ready here, and yes. So that's a beautiful, I will say that besan masala chila, masala besan ka chila. So as I said, you can have with chutneys and coconut chutneys, tomato chutneys, or any kind of mint chutneys. So that's going to be something very amazing, and it's a dish itself. Have a drop of, I always say, the butter, melting moments, it will be super. Welcome back again for the Superwoman Super Chef series next week. Bye.